Imagine a house that never needs air conditioning in summer and never needs heating in winter. No thermostat wars, no $400 energy bills. Sounds impossible, right? It's not. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it's done and how much less it costs than you think. But first, let's clear up a big misunderstanding. Most people think energy-efficient homes are expensive, complicated, or only for architects with unlimited budgets. That's the myth. The truth is stranger and cheaper. There's a design method that's been quietly used for decades, and it flips almost everything you know about home construction upside down. We'll get to exactly how it works in a minute. But to understand why it works, you need to hear this story first. A few years ago, a family built their dream home. Big windows, high ceilings, beautiful design. Then the first winter came. Their heating bill was so high, they had to close off half the house just to survive the cold. That story repeats itself every year, in every climate, all over the world. The problem isn't bad luck, it's the design. So what's actually going wrong? Traditional houses leak energy through walls, windows, roofs, even tiny gaps you can't see. Your heater or AC works overtime just to fight against that constant leak. It's like trying to fill a bucket with holes in it. You keep pouring energy in, and most of it just disappears. And that leak has a price, a bigger one than most people realize. Over a single year, that energy waste adds up to hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars. Over 10 years, you could be paying for an entire car just to heat and cool a leaky house. And it's not only about money. It's comfort, it's noise from HVAC systems running non-stop, it's rooms that are always too hot or too cold. Now here's where it gets interesting. This is where passive house design comes in. It's a building method focused on three things: airtight construction, super thick insulation, and smart window placement to use sunlight instead of fighting it. Homes built this way can use up to 80% less energy for heating and cooling. Not because of expensive technology, but because the house itself is designed to hold on to comfort naturally. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds expensive. Let's talk about that. Here are 3 ways to make this affordable. First, prioritize airtightness before anything fancy. Sealing gaps costs far less than most upgrades and saves the most energy. Second, choose window placement over window size. Smart positioning beats expensive glass. Third, insulate first, decorate later. Spend your first budget on what's inside the walls, not what's on top of them. These 3 choices alone can get you most of the savings without the biggest price tag. But there's a catch most people don't see coming. The biggest mistake? Trying to do everything at once. People blow their budget on solar panels before sealing basic air leaks, which is like buying a new phone case for a phone that's already cracked. Fix the foundation of efficiency first. The fancy additions can come later. And here's something most people never expect. Some passive houses use so little energy, a few candles and body heat from the people inside can noticeably warm the room. That's how tight and efficient this design really is. Which brings us to the real reveal. So no, this isn't science fiction. It's not a mansion-only luxury. It's a design philosophy anyone can apply, on almost any budget, in almost any climate. The house that never needs AC or heat isn't a myth. It's just a smarter way of building. So what should you do with this? If you're planning a build or just love smart design, subscribe for more videos like this. And tell me in the comments, would you live in a passive house? I read every single one.